Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good evening to Madam Nurul Ainun and our beloved classmate AC220B2A. So today, we are going to present business pitching for chapter 5, which is theory of production and cost.
Hi, my name is Nur Hidayatullah Azira binti Mama Ismail. I am going to explain question about using diagram how economy of scale could help Proton to reduce the average cost. Based on this figure, when output increased from 0 to Q1, the long-run average cost curve is decreased until point A. This is an increasing return to scale. It's shown that the company wants to reach the minimum cost, which is good for the company. This is also called experience economy of scale. Economy of scale are benefits or advantages a firm enjoy it grow large. Firstly, as a firm expands, its employ a large number of workers. Here, specialization can increase efficiency of labor and reduce the average cost without any increase in the wages rate. The firm can provide a better working environment and improve facility, as well as enhance promotion prospects for its workers. This measure will increase the average productivity of the worker and reduce average cost per unit. Secondly, with an increase in the scale of operation, a firm can benefit by specializing its managerial department. Managerial economy refers to department and the employment of professionals. Each department is placed under the charge an expert. They will ensure higher productivity and greater efficiency to increase production and decrease costs. A large firm can buy raw material such as input in bulk and obtain a cheaper rate. A large firm also can reduce the average cost of selling goods in large amount, as it can own a sales agency and channel to sell the goods. Economy of scale arises due to technology improvement in production. Large firm has more resources and more modern machines to produce the production, so the firm produce at maximum capacity, fully utilizing machinery and reducing average cost. A large established firm can easily obtain loan from financial institutions because this large firm has sound financial standing. Lastly, when the firm as an industry are established in one location, this firm can enjoy common benefit, for example, power supply, raw material, and marketing facility. All this reduce the cost of operation.
Hi, my name is Nur Afika Nazira binti Muhammad Nazir, and my question is about define production, and with the help of the diagram in question 1, explain further about long run average cost, or known as LRAC, to Proton according to law of return to scale. Production is the process of using the factors of production like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship to produce goods and services. Or production is also the process of transforming inputs into output. Based on the diagram from the previous slide, when output increased from 0 to Q1, average cost decreased at point A, which is good for Proton company. This is called increasing return to scale or economies of scale. Next, when output increased from Q1 to Q2, the average cost remains the same. This is called constant return to scale or no economies or diseconomies of scale occur. Lastly, when output increase from Q2 to infinity at point B, average cost starts to increase, which is not a good sign for Proton company. This is called decreasing return to scale or diseconomies of scale.
Hello, my name is Nur Sabrina binti Amran and I am going to explain question 3. 3. What if the partnership between Proton and Honda did not go well as planned? What could be the factor of it and how will it lead to these economies of scale? The answer is that the factor that could influence the diseconomies of scale is management problem. These economies of scale arise due to difficulties of managing large firms, miscommunication, a lack of cooperation, coordination, and supervision of the work of different departments, and poor specialization can all occur in large firms, such as Proton and Honda. This will incur additional management costs with the larger workforce of the partnership between Proton and Honda. It is not possible if they are going to have some difficulties such as miscommunication. Therefore, communication between Proton and Honda becomes more difficult as they may have different expectations from each other.